This is the story of a journey that began more than 100 years ago. The tale of a small river steam workshop founded in 1884 for repairing the British river crafts of yore, which has today grown into India's premier shipbuilding company, manufacturing state-of-the-art warships. This is the saga about a company that made a mark in the World War II by constructing, converting and repairing more than 4,000 naval and merchant vessels, and how it became a futuristic leader in warship construction. This is the story about Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, a company that represents more than 100 years of commitment, laying the keel for self-reliance in maritime security. Back in April 1960, when GRSE rose to become one of the first companies to acquire the PSU status in the defense industry, it became a key partner to the Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard for their warship building programs. And then, as they say, the rest is history. GRSE has provided the bulwark to safeguard the marine frontiers of the nation. First ever indigenous warship for the Indian Navy, INS Ajay, a seaward defense boat. The first ever patrol vessel for Indian Coast Guard, CGS Rajhans, which is celebrated as the 25th warship delivered by GRSE. The first ever indigenous survey vessel for Indian Navy, INS Sandhayak. First indigenous landing ship with a halo deck and a hangar, INS Magar. The only indigenously built fleet replenishment tanker in India, INS Aditya, the force multiplier, to fulfill the blue water aspirations of the Indian Navy. Guided missile corvette for the Indian Navy, INS Kora. P-16A guided missile frigate, INS Brahmaputra. INS Kamorta, the first of its class anti-submarine warfare corvette, became India's first warship built with indigenously developed warship-grade steel to achieve the distinction of 90% indigenous content. First integrator of carbon composite superstructure with steel hull of ship, onboard 3rd anti-submarine warfare corvette INS Kiltan for Indian Navy. 90% indigenous content yet again on board in-house designed landing craft utility Mark IV ships. First ever warship built in India for export, CGS Barracuda for Mauritius, designed completely in-house by GRSE. Patrol vessels and hovercrafts for Coast Guard. This 100% commitment towards strengthening India's maritime security has got GRSE the Defence Minister's Award for Best In-House Design Effort for CGS Barracuda for Government of Mauritius. And the shipyard has been applauded time and again for its efforts and dedication. The trophy for Best Performing Shipyard for 4 years in a row was a rare and exceptional honour won by GRSE for its outstanding performance. These awards are a testimony to 100% perseverance that has made GRSE achieve excellence as a habit. A few notable achievements include modernization of infrastructure with integrated shipbuilding facility has enhanced capacity to construct 20 ships concurrently across its 3 production locations. GRSE has delivered 8 warships within a span of 22 months from June 2017 to March 2019, which clocks an average of 2.75 warships a month. Certainly a no mean feat to achieve as per the industry standards. 90% of indigenous content on anti-submarine warfare corvettes and landing craft utility ships. Prestigious order of survey vessels on competitive bidding. declared successful bidders for 8 ASW SWCs on competitive basis yet again. Ongoing construction of 14 warships concurrently across 5 projects. It is the 100% conviction that has written the growth story of GRSE and gave the courage to look beyond the boundaries and diversify into newer frontiers. From marine diesel engine assembling to manufacturing deck machinery items. From manufacturing portable steel bridges for the Indian Army, BRO and state governments to conducting technical and skill development trainings. From steam ships to diesel propulsion, and now with gas turbine propulsion on P-17 Alpha stealth frigates, GRSE's journey of technological innovation continues. GRSE is leading the way to transform the future of India's maritime security. So, here we are today to celebrate our achievements. 100% devotion of 100 highly skilled and multidisciplined design engineers and professionals. 100% determination to innovate and develop concept designs for ships that can cater to the current and future requirements of the Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard. 100% trust that motivates us to push the boundaries and achieve excellence in production technology, so we can continue to rise to the challenges and build the confidence of our customers as well. 100% confidence that we will continue to add to our growth story with our line of future-ready warships and other complex engineering projects. We are here to celebrate the 100th warship delivery to the Indian Naval Forces, and our 100th warship is an absolute testament to our commitment. This milestone also comes at a time when GRSE has proudly acquired the status of a listed company recently. Behind India's many firsts, behind India's maritime security, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited.